If you're a regular soda drinker, whether it's a daily habit or an occasional indulgence, you might be wondering what happens to your body when you stop drinking soda. Let's explore the effects from a medical perspective and see how quitting this habit can impact your health. Number 1. Weight loss. One of the most immediate changes you'll notice is weight loss. Soda, whether regular or diet, is full of empty calories that don't contribute to your feeling of fullness. This often leads people to consume more calories throughout the day. Cutting out soda helps reduce your overall calorie intake, which can lead to weight loss within the first week, sometimes up to a few pounds. Number 2. Liver health. Soda is known to contribute to fatty liver disease due to its high sugar and fructose content. This condition is becoming increasingly common worldwide, primarily due to excessive soda consumption. By eliminating soda, you'll start to see improvements in liver health and a decrease in fatty liver accumulation. Number 3. Reduction in visceral fat. Soda consumption is linked to increased fat around internal organs, known as visceral fat. Cutting soda from your diet can help reduce this harmful fat, leading to better overall health and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Although you might not see immediate changes in your waistline, internal fat reduction is significant and beneficial. Number 4. Improved blood metrics. When you stop drinking soda, you'll notice improvements in your blood metrics. Triglyceride and cholesterol levels often decrease, and insulin and blood sugar levels stabilize. This reduction in sugar and insulin helps lower the risk of metabolic syndrome, including high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, and heart disease. Number 5. Decreased risk of type 2 diabetes. Research shows that each can of soda you cut out can reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes by about 1.1%. If you currently consume several cans a day, reducing this intake can significantly lower your diabetes risk. Number 6. Increased energy and nutrient absorption. Without the sugar crashes caused by soda, you'll experience more stable energy levels. Additionally, by cutting out soda, you'll free up space for more nutrient-dense foods, leading to improved overall health, better organ function, and enhanced cellular health. Number 7. Heart health. Reducing or eliminating soda can lead to a 20% reduction in heart disease risk. This is especially important for men, as studies have shown that consuming one sugary drink per day can increase heart disease risk by 20%. Cutting out soda can have a significant positive impact on heart health. Number 8. Lower cancer risk. Studies indicate that drinking 2 or more sodas daily can increase the risk of pancreatic cancer by 87%. By cutting out soda, you can significantly lower this risk. Number 9. Joint health. Soda consumption can increase inflammation, which contributes to joint pain and conditions like gout. Reducing soda intake decreases your risk of developing gout by 75% and can help reduce inflammation in your joints. Number 10. Oral health. Soda, both regular and diet, can damage your teeth. Its acidity erodes enamel, leading to cavities and extensive dental work. Cutting out soda protects your smile and helps maintain dental health. Additional considerations: soda can be as addictive as drugs due to the dopamine response it triggers in the brain. Quitting cold turkey can be challenging, but there are healthier alternatives to consider. Stevia-based drinks. Options like flavored water with stevia can help satisfy your cravings without the calories. Sparkling water. Brands like Spindrift offer a refreshing alternative without added sugars. Probiotic drinks. Options like Olipop or Poppy provide a soda-like experience with added gut health benefits. Diet soda alternatives. Be cautious with diet sodas as they contain chemicals that may contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Aspartame, a common sweetener in diet sodas, has been linked to various health problems. If you're struggling with soda addiction, it's important to replace it with healthier habits and beverages. You can break the soda habit and enjoy the numerous health benefits that come with it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tips. See you in the next video.